Today we do mark a launch of a very impactful, effective and important initiative between Primedia and Johannesburg Road Agency. It is important that we remember the work that we do for our communities and making a difference every day. As Primedia, it's not only about media, it is not only about our billboards, yet it is about connecting with our clients, being meaningful, and providing intelligent ways in which we can connect with our communities. This initiative is really a true reflection of our commitment to the purpose-driven partnerships and supporting infrastructure that makes difference in everyday lives of South Africans. May this be the first of many smart solutions that help us move our city forward.
Local businesses are more than economic players. They are community anchors. When we join forces, businesses, residents, and the city, our impact is multiplied.
It's about the city moving towards being smart. So as you drive in that intersection, as you enjoy the billboards, as you enjoy the red and green, know very well it's more than that. It's becoming an intelligent intersections. So there's a couple of them that we are working so that we can get to that element.
I just want to say thank you to Primedia for stepping forward. We have seen the results of these partnerships.
We are grateful for the partnership we have with the city that enables us to erect billboards all over Johannesburg. Of course, there is always finger pointing about what's working, what's not working. But Primedia approach is different. We are in this together. And if there is a role we can play as Primedia to make a difference, we will play that role.
Thank you to Primedia for having partnered with JRA, specifically focusing on Winnie Mandela. And we think we could do better, and there's more projects that we have to work with you to expand the space. Because once we expand the space, it means we are creating more economic value in Johannesburg.